Miracle knots is the go-to hairstyle for the summer. In this video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to achieve this hairstyle, so keep watching. The hair I'll be using is from QVR Hair. This is their Burmese curly feather crochet hair in 18 inches. Take a piece of the crochet hair and line it up with your natural hair. Instead of attaching it at the very end, you're going to start braiding the crochet hair into your natural hair a little higher up on the braid. You can also add gel to this part to make sure that it's extra secure. You're going to insert the crochet needle through your braid and hook the hair and pull it through. Then you're going to insert the crochet needle back into your braid, pull one crochet piece back into the braid. Once you do that, you're going to take both pieces and you're going to twist them. On this part, make sure that you twist past the yarn. You don't want to twist and then it just unravel and fall out. You want to just keep twisting all the way down. I say keep twisting until basically you're kind of at like the blonde pieces of the hair. I personally love this method because it protects the integrity of your natural hair. It reduces tension, helps prevent breakage, and it also is a lot faster once you get the hang of it. Continue this process throughout your entire head. After I got done crocheting, this is what the hair looked like. It was so beautiful and full, but I am going to go in and define these curls. To define the curls, all I used was water and I used mousse. When you're defining the curls, make sure that you're holding the ends of the hair and you're not pulling on it because, again, you did twist, you didn't knot it, so the hair can fall out if you put too much tension on it. But other than that, I think that this method held up really well. When I was defining the curls, I think I had 1 or 2 pieces that came out, which is really good for the technique that I use. I worked in sections and I did this all the way around my head. And here is the finished look, and here's the look fully dried. I've heard so many good things about QVR Hair. Definitely lived up to my highest expectations. If you're interested in this look, everything will be linked below. Until next time, you guys, bye.
Fly.